Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a few things on my wish list that I'm hoping, since this is my birthday season, to get my hands on, but we'll see. It's not a large list. I feel like I am so far behind with all the trips that I've been doing. So I have a short list, but I want to share with you all, and maybe you can recommend some of the new news that are coming out that I don't know about. So comment down below, hit your sister up, give me the hookup, help me out on some of the things that you have enjoyed that I might also enjoy. Okay, let's get into it. So first on my list, if you see me looking down, I have a list. So I'm just reading off of it. And so the first one, while I was gone, Fenty released new butter drops. Oh my goodness, why? Why? When I'm out and I can't get to it. So that is definitely on my wish list. I want to smell them. I really want them in my collection. I really don't care what they smell like. I just want them in my collection. So one is citrus sherbet, and the other one is guava getaway. So if you all have experienced those scents from the new Fenty butter drops, please let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like them? Do you not like them? I would love to know your thoughts, your true thoughts, so I can see if they will be in my collection. I definitely want to get my nose on them pretty soon, so hopefully I can do that, but we'll see. Next up, I want some more brown sugar babe oils. Okay, when I tell you, I don't know what brown sugar is doing, but y'all's on my timeline all the time. Brown sugar, babe. Like, you're on my timeline all the time. So I have absolutely, and I have a video coming up talking about it, but I've absolutely enjoyed this brand. I have enjoyed Perfect Pair. We'll get more into it, but I want some more, okay? I have enjoyed it so much that I want some more brown sugar oils in my collection. So I can't wait to get back, kind of start my list, but let me know which ones are your favorites. That's what I want to know. That's what I need to know. Which ones are your favorites so I can test them and try them and come to the channel with them. Please give me some help on that, because I did enjoy and love it. This is kind of becoming my birthday list. But a fragrance that I want, and you all heard about it when I reviewed it, but from New Notes, it is Queen of the Seas. I want that. I hope I can get that for my birthday. I want it for my vacation. I hope I get that beautiful present on my vacation. I love that fragrance down. It would be another aquatic type of marine scent added to my collection, which I need and would love and adore. But that was so good from New Notes, and so I have that on my list. Another one on my list is vanilla powder. I have to get that, even if it's for myself, to myself, for my birthday. Like, I have to get vanilla powder. I can no longer continue to hear about vanilla powder and not have experienced vanilla powder. I am so over it. I need to experience it. So I need that in my collection ASAP. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get that for my birthday. And even if it's a gift for myself, I need it. Let me know your thoughts on vanilla powder. Have you enjoyed it? Do you like it? Do you not? I would love to know. I hear so many great things about it. But if you have not had a great experience, I want to know that too, because I'm about the realness. So I want to know all your real thoughts to see, like, you know, why don't you like it? You know, what do I need to look out for? So hopefully I can get my nose on it, but if not, it just might be a blind buy, and happy birthday to me. Next up, I want some more House of Beau fragrances, okay? Like from Casablanca, from Lamar. There are so many that I have experienced that I want in my collection. So I am hoping that they come. Oh my goodness. I think Casablanca would be before Lamar. I was going back and forth which one I want first, but I think I want Casablanca because that just gives me all white party like this season. It just gives me such a beautiful, fresh type of scent. And Lamar is more on the tropical scent, so I could use that too. But yeah, I need both in my collection. But let me know your thoughts. Do you like House of Beau? If you like House of Beau, what is your favorite fragrance from House of Beau? I would love to know that too. And honestly, that is it. I know. My wish list, I looked at it, I said, wow, I feel like I'm so behind on the fragrance train, fragrance world. The P. Diddy of it all has taken over my life. And I don't know anything about fragrances and body care. Let me know what's out there, what I should try, what you would suggest for me to try. I would love to know your thoughts. But those are my quick wish list picks, and I'm not sure if it will come true or not, but we'll see. I mean, this is the birthday month, and so I feel like I should get a lot of presents with my grown self. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Again, comment down below. Let me know all the new news. I just feel like I am just so out of it, and you're going to hook me up on the things I need to know, okay? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.